This is literally so crazy. I cannot believe it. I am so excited. I have some amazing news to tell you guys. Oh my gosh.
Always Alyssa.
Hey everybody, welcome to Always Alyssa. I am so excited. I have some amazing news to tell you guys. Oh my gosh. So, guess what? We are going to be staying in a mansion. I'm actually in it right now, and this is only one of the bedrooms. I mean, this is literally so crazy. I cannot believe it, but it's an actual mansion. I'm gonna give you guys a huge tour. I'm staying at the Zion Red Rock Mansion, and I am so excited. This is literally insane, you guys. I can't wait to show you. Okay, so right now I'm standing on the outside of the mansion, and by the way, it sleeps 60 people. Like, isn't that just crazy? So I'll have to back up a lot for you guys to see this, but this is what the outside looks like. It is absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at this. Now, let's head inside. Okay, first we're gonna enter through this amazing front door, and look at this. Say hi, Owen.
Hi.
I'm showing everyone the mansion. Look at this. As soon as you walk in, it's like, oh my gosh, look at all this. So first of all, look at all of the seating. I'm gonna start on this side of the room because it's so big. I mean, just look at all the decor. It's so cute and festive. A fireplace, a huge TV. This is awesome, right?
Yeah.
I love it. So here's its first table. And there's a second table. Like, knowing our huge family, we're definitely gonna take up both huge tables because we're having a bunch of other of our cousins and stuff stay here too. So it's gonna be awesome. There's some more chairs. Look at this cute little Christmas tree.
Auntie is going.
Yeah, we have a lot of friends staying with us. It's gonna be so awesome. And over here we have a grand piano, a very adorable decorated Christmas tree. Look at all the little birds. So cute, I love it.
Those were real.
I wish they were real too. And look, some more chairs for seating.
And a piano.
Yes, there is a piano. Here's the piano. Just look how pretty with the tree in the back. Look at that pretty chandelier. With the painting, and look at this cute little cabinet. And another fireplace. Look at this. Another TV. Okay, now going over here, first you're gonna see this super pretty painting, and let's start over here. So here is the first bedroom, which there are a lot of bedrooms in this house. Look, there's even like hangers so you can hang your stuff. Awesome, right? I'm literally so excited. This is so crazy. Okay, look at this. I mean, all the decor is like so nice. Okay, now this is that was the first room. Now we're gonna make our way down this hallway. Here is a bathroom. Let's turn the light on. Oops. So here's the first bathroom. Very nice. Okay, now let's look over here. Another bathroom. Ooh, and a very nice shower. And here is the next bedroom. This is very pretty. It has two little beds and then one bigger bed. Look at the paintings on the walls. Okay, now coming back down this same hallway where we just saw the bathrooms, we're gonna go down here to the other side. Now on this other side of the living room, here's another front door entrance. There is the kitchen. Look how nice this is. First of all, there's two sinks. Here's one of them, a super nice island, which I love cooking, so this is like a dream for me. Look, little microwave, more counter, and then look, fridge of course. And here's the other sink, and it has a super nice view out there in the daytime. But I just love the countertops. And then here's some dishes, some more dishes. Here's the kitchen table. Here's another view. So here's the kitchen. Now we're gonna go down this hallway. This is a different one than before. And look how cute. The theme for this little place is bees. So little beehives and a honeycomb. It's so adorable. Here's another bathroom. I like that painting too. And here is two more fridges, which is so cool. And here is another bedroom. And then we have the same as the other one, a big bed and then two little beds. And the house is so big you might even get lost. So here is a map of just this floor. This is so exciting, and I'm not even close to done yet. There's a lot more. So now I'm gonna take you guys downstairs. So this is right next to the kitchen. just for reference. And now we're going to go downstairs. Some cute decor. Okay, first thing you see, a painting. Now let's start in here. So here's a little bedroom. And then in here is another bedroom. Look at that cute plant with a couch in it. So cool. And now this is the lowest level of the mansion. And in here is a bunch of bunk beds. This room is super cool. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then over here, some hangers. Look at this pretty painting. And 7, 8 bunk beds. That's literally so cool, right? Like whoever sleeps in this room is totally gonna have like the party room, and they're gonna be very lucky. I mean, look at this. Okay, now coming out of this room is the main game room, I guess, of the lower floor. It's super cool. So check this out. First of all, there is, oh no, I dropped my glove. So first of all, there is a ton of seating and very cute decor. I love it. More seating, little table. It's almost like a little bar over there. More chairs, and look at this. We're gonna have a lot of fun playing this table soccer. Some more couches, a TV, more chairs, another bar, a fridge. I mean, this is just super awesome. This room is just absolutely huge and I love it. It's gonna be so much fun. Okay, now we're going to go in this room, another TV, some more seating, and this game. I don't remember what it's called, but it's very fun to play. And there's a sauna right there. Isn't that so cool? It does get pretty cold here. More seating. And look at that cute fake plant. I love all the plants they have in here. And also on the lower level, there's showers. So here's the first bathroom. Let's take a look in here. Another bathroom. And another shower. This place is so amazing and so big that I'm practically getting lost, but I have to show you the other rooms on this side. Okay, so I already showed you guys these rooms, and let's see down here. Oh yes, I already showed you guys that room. So now we're gonna go up 2 floors. This is probably one of the best floors, so I'm super excited to show you guys. Okay, so I just came up the 2 flights of stairs. I'm like practically out of breath, but here's a painting and some more plants. And over here, it's a very cute little room. I really like this one. Look at the little plant and this place to hang your stuff. And look at the decor, I just love it. And a little couch. And here's another bathroom. And a shower. Okay, so walking down this hall, here is the amazing master bedroom, which is definitely the best bedroom in the house. But first, I have to show you guys this one. This one's pretty big, I like it. I mean, all the rooms are pretty big. I mean, they're all amazing. So this one has 2 beds, a couch, 2 hangers for all your stuff, and some extra blankets down there. And then here is another bathroom. Okay, now, by the way, there is a balcony that runs across the entire house. It's kind of chilly out here, but this is literally so cool. Okay, so now there's the stairs that you guys saw earlier, and over here is the huge master bedroom. Let's start over here. Looking nice already, a couch. Let's go through the bathroom first. Look at this. It literally looks like one of those super nice houses you would see on like a remodeling TV show. That's how nice it is. And look how big the shower is. Like, this is just amazing. Look at this. Can you imagine showering in here? It's like so tall. This is just my hand for reference. I'm normally like 5'8", and this is just my hand. And that's how tall it is. Like, that's crazy, right? And then here's the bathtub, so nice. I just love it. And a nice little window. Look how pretty. Over here is the rest of the bathroom. Okay, now going back out here, the rest of the master bedroom. So, there's 2 huge mirrors, so cool. Also, look at these 2 brushes. I don't know exactly what they are, but aren't they like so cool? Oh my gosh, they're like heavy too. That's so cool. They're like big makeup brushes. Okay, now in here is the best part. So, first, some seating, a very nice fireplace, and I absolutely love like all the decorations. They're so pretty. And there's a huge TV. Look at this cute little table. More couches, it looks so nice. Little chandelier. But over here's the best part. So look at this first. So pretty. And then to your right is the bed. Like, look at this. And there's another TV at the perfect angle so you can watch TV while you're in bed. And more chairs. I mean, just look how cool this is. It's like one huge room. And this is a super nice view in the daytime also. This is the bathroom again over here. And yeah, this is by far the coolest room in the house. Okay, now out here we're gonna have some more bedrooms. So first, painting and some chairs. So let's take a look at these bedrooms. Here is the first one up here. Look, some extra blankets down there, which I love extra blankets, it's so nice. So here's the bed, and here's a cute little couch. Another bathroom. And look how pretty this rug is. I love all the colors. Now here is the other staircase, but down here, here's a cabinet, a mirror, here's washer dryer, and here is another room. Look at this one. This one I especially love the decor in because it's very pretty. Look at the pink pillows. And look at this fabulous rug. I love it so much. Here's another bed, a painting. So there's 3 beds in this room. And in here is a nice bathroom. Okay, to be honest, I'm starting to lose track of how many rooms there actually are, and I don't think you guys have seen this one yet. Wait, maybe you have. I don't really know. But either way, look at the pretty view of the lights out here. And I think I should take you guys on a little walk on the balcony. Let's go all the way across, or at least partial way across. That'd be so cool. So let's start this way. You see the bedroom, the lights. This is literally so cool. I have never stayed in a mansion before, and this is amazing. And do you guys hear that? There's like some water. It was a little waterfall. Now out here, bedroom again. And this literally goes around the entire house. It's so cool. There's also a pool right here, which it's really cold for the pool right now, but the spot is heated. There's part of the master bedroom again. More of the master bedroom. Also, there's a theater room down there, which I'm so excited to show you guys. And there's also a pickleball court and basketball court. We're almost done. Almost made it to the front. Oh yeah, that's where our car is parked. And yeah, that's the basketball and pickleball over there. I'll have to go show you guys that. So when I keep going, I'll almost make it to the front. But this is literally so amazing. I love it. And there we are. Look at that. So pretty. I'm so excited to stay in this house. You have no idea. Here's the view, what it looks like, the master bedroom. And look at that, all the lights. And just look how nice this looks. You could like have a party down there in the front alone. I mean, it's so cool. Okay, now that I'm back inside, I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna show you guys the theater room. So this is a game room once again, and going out this door. And right out here is where the pool was that you guys saw earlier. There's the steps up to the pool. And look at this cool spiral staircase. But over here is super awesome. Oh my gosh, this is like one of my favorite parts of the entire house. I'm so excited to show you guys. So in here is a movie theater. Like, look at this. It has an actual like movie screen and speaker system. And look at all the chairs. Like, it's actually a whole movie theater. I am so excited to like watch a movie in here. It's like so legit. I mean, look at this. You can like put your drinks in here. Look at that. And you can just sit here and watch a movie. So amazing. I've always wanted like a theater room like in my house or something. Like maybe one day when I'm older and I have a house, I'll put a theater room in it because this is awesome. Now walking back from the theater room, look how beautiful. The house from the back and the pool. Now I have to show you guys this room again just because it's so pretty. Oh look, there's Chloe. Hi. Do you like the mansion, Chloe? What do you think about it? Do you really like it? You look really cute today with your little headband. Look how pretty. Hi. Wow, I think that I actually did show you guys every single room in the house, which is amazing because I mean, there are so many rooms. This house is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I'm so excited to stay in it. I mean, so excited. Okay, I just have to show you guys this room one more time. I mean, this is gonna be so awesome. Also, look how cool like the decorations are. I don't know if I already mentioned that, but I absolutely love it. And look at this pretty rug. I love the colors. So pretty. I'm seriously so happy that we get to stay in this house, and I'm gonna be doing a video of everything we're gonna do this week, so you guys are gonna have to check that out.